If the speed gauge or switch is not working or unstable, it is possible to fix by simple soldering. Use a small flathead screwdriver to remove the switches. Five screws to remove from the instrument panel. Four clips inside are holding this panel. Give pressure down at four corners to pull out the panel. Disconnect 5 plugs behind the panel. Compress these clips flatter for easy removal to avoid breaking the panel in the future. Now you can remove these switches to fix. This is the defogger switch. You can see the cracks. Soldering would fix it.
A few moments later.
Test it before you install. It works. Use a long flathead screwdriver to push the clips up and remove the caps. Remove 2 screws. Remove 6 screws. Someone screwed too tight and broke the plastic. I use superglue and baking soda to glue them back.
A few moments later.
It's not necessary to install screws. It's good enough as long as holding the caps. Remove this panel by 5 screws. You will see the speedometer cable. Use a flathead screwdriver to disconnect it. Remove 4 screws. Remove all the plugs behind. Gauges out. This is the place we need to fix. Solder these pins. Put tiny a little bit of flux on each pin would make the job easier. Jack up your car and make sure wheels are off from the ground. Test it before you install. It works. Prelude.